How to add music to Instagram Notes. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Instagram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to Instagram Notes. So recently, Instagram added music to their Notes feature so that you can easily add music and then that will be shared with your friends within the Instagram app. All right, so to get started with how to add music to Instagram Notes, the first thing we need to do is make sure that we have the latest version of Instagram installed on our iPhone or Android phone. And you can easily make sure you have the latest version of Instagram installed by simply opening up your respective app store, either the App Store on your iPhone or the Google Play Store on an Android phone, and search Instagram. And then when you open up Instagram, where it says open for me, it would say update if you had an update available. Then when we go back to Instagram, select the messages icon in the top right, and then simply select your note at the top with the plus symbol. From here, right under our profile image, you should see the little music icon. Select the music icon, and then you can find and select any song you want. You can even search for songs, and then you can select the song, select a portion of the song if you want. And they even show you right there with the little red, the most shared portions of the song. Select done, and then that section of the song will be added as a note. You can even share a thought about the song. Once you've added music and text to your note, select share at the bottom right. And then as you can see, my note is now added, and now my friends or anyone that follows me will be able to see that. And if you've updated Instagram and you're still not seeing this feature, what I recommend doing is fully uninstalling and then reinstalling Instagram. All right, so that's how you add music to Instagram Notes. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Instagram tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.